If you're looking to elevate your brand awareness campaigns, AdCreative AI could be a game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AdCreative AI to create powerful brand awareness ads that connect with your audience and maximize your impact, all in a fraction of the time it would take to manually design them. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing an exclusive bonus that'll let you try out this tool for free. AdCreative AI is designed to help marketers like you create high-converting ads with the power of artificial intelligence. Whether you're new to the software or just trying to get the most out of it, understanding how it works is key to unleashing its potential. And don't worry if you're not a graphic designer, because AdCreative AI makes it super simple to generate eye-catching visuals that grab attention and increase engagement. When you first sign up for AdCreative AI, you'll notice the platform is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. You can get started by selecting a goal for your campaign, brand awareness in this case, and the AI will guide you through the process. All you need to do is input some basic information about your brand, like your target audience, product, or service, and the AI will automatically generate ad creatives that are tailored to your campaign objectives. What's great about this tool is that it leverages machine learning to understand what types of ads perform best for your specific audience. This means the ads you create aren't just randomly generated, they're optimized for maximum engagement and performance. So, instead of testing out a dozen variations of the same ad, AdCreative AI takes the guesswork out of it by recommending the most effective designs and copy based on real-time data. AdCreative AI also integrates seamlessly with your favorite advertising platforms, whether that's Google Ads, Facebook, or Instagram. Once your creatives are ready, you can instantly export them to start running your campaign. This integration ensures that the ads are not only tailored to your brand, but also optimized for the platform you're using, helping you reach your audience where they're most active. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its ability to generate multiple ad variations in minutes, allowing you to test and refine your campaign with ease. Instead of spending hours creating different ad formats or worrying about whether your creative will resonate with your audience, you can rely on the AI to give you a diverse set of options. You can experiment with various copy, colors, and images without spending countless hours or resources. For brand awareness campaigns, it's all about consistency and visibility. With AdCreative AI, you can keep your messaging on point while continuously improving your ad performance. The AI learns from every campaign you run, meaning over time it gets better at predicting what will work best for your brand. As I mentioned earlier, you can get started with AdCreative AI completely free through the first link below. Not only will you get access to this tool, but you'll also unlock exclusive bonuses to help you get more out of your campaigns. If you're serious about scaling your brand awareness efforts and driving more visibility, then AdCreative AI is definitely worth checking out. With the AI constantly optimizing your creatives, you can focus more on strategy and less on design, making it the perfect tool for busy marketers or business owners. So, as promised, don't forget that the link below gives you an exclusive extended free trial to try out AdCreative AI and see how it can transform your brand awareness campaigns. Get started now and make the most of the technology that's changing the game for advertisers worldwide.